Cuktech just released a new power bank called the CP13. It is a 10,000 mAh battery pack that supports the Qi2 wireless charging standard. It costs $49.99 and is available now on Amazon and the company's website in the US. Since it features Qi2 certification, it can wirelessly charge compatible phones at 15W. Before Qi2 became more common, third-party magnetic chargers were mostly limited to 7.5W for iPhones. This standard allows third-party chargers to operate at the same 15W rate as Apple's own MagSafe chargers. The power bank snaps onto the back of the phone using magnets and works with the iPhone 15, 16, and 17 series, as well as Android phones that support Qi2. The battery itself has a 10,000 mAh capacity. In practical terms, Cuktech says this will charge a standard iPhone 17 about 1.7 times, an iPhone 17 Pro 1.4 times, or a Samsung Galaxy S25 around 1.45 times. If you need to charge your phone faster than the wireless pad allows, there is a USB-C port on the bottom. This port supports 30W wired charging, which can get an iPhone to 50% in roughly half an hour. You also use this same port to recharge the power bank itself at 30W. On the outside, the power bank is covered in a liquid silicone material. This gives it a softer texture that is meant to prevent it from scratching the back of your phone when they are attached. It also has a built-in metal stand that folds out, so you can prop your phone up on a desk to watch a video or take a call while it charges. To check how much battery is left, there is a small digital display on the side that shows the exact percentage, which is generally more useful than the standard 4 LED dots found on many older batteries. The CP13 weighs about 220 grams, which is slightly lighter than an iPhone 17 Pro Max. Because magnetic wireless charging naturally produces heat, the power bank includes temperature sensors that monitor the device to keep it from getting too warm during use.